Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a few methods to remove these locks off these festival wristbands. I'm going to go through 3 different ways, starting off with the easiest and then the hardest. So the first method is to use a straw. And so I have a straw here. You can go to McDonald's, whatever, grab yourself a straw, go ahead and cut it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut a slit down the center of the straw. We're going to slide this over the wristband, and then it should allow us to slide it freely out. Here is one of those locks, and you can see the fabric only can travel this direction. If you flip it around, the teeth grab into it in this direction. So basically we need to stick our straw in here like so, and that will allow the teeth to separate from the fabric, and that way we should be able to pull it out. And now you can see we're just going to push the straw in so it makes it a little tighter. And once you have that straw going in there, we're going to go ahead, start pushing the barrel connector up the straw. And you'll notice the other end of the straw has made it out. Now what we can do is we can grip the straw, and voila, the wristband comes right out, making a clean channel for it to pass through inside of the straw. The other method is the twist method, and a lot of people report having success on this. Personally, I don't like this method. So I'm going to move this barrel past this messed up point. And the reason why this part is messed up is the other method here is basically you twist this until the string is fine enough, where it basically mimics what we did with the straw earlier. But personally, I find this method damages the wristband, especially because the new way these barrels are designed, they're double walled. So you'll notice here the inside spins freely. So even if you spin it and then try to pull it, this part is still stuck. So there's one on the top here, and then they actually have another one that's on the bottom. So not is it just double barreled here, but you actually have 2 barrels as well. So you can see if I open this up, this is how the lock looks. And then again, there's 2 of them that sit on top of each other, and they can go in 360 degrees. So again, you basically just twist this until it's tight enough, and then you hope that it will come out the other end. So again, you may or may not have luck with that. The last method I'm going to show you is just to destroy the lock. These locks break under pressure pretty easily, so just grab some pliers. At the top part, this is the hardest part, and all you got to do is crush it, and the lock probably will break just after 1 or 2 tries. And then online, you can actually get a multi-pack for these locks pretty cheap. So I'll go ahead and leave a link to that down below. So once you bite it a few times with one of those pliers, the plastic actually just starts to crack and fall apart like this. Also, if you have an X-Acto knife, you can actually just cut these locks. So you can see here, we've cut the lock open. And you want to be careful about cutting these though, because you don't want the X-Acto knife to fly back in your face. So definitely wear some eye protection. But once you have that lock out, you just grab yourself a new one of these and put it back on. This time, making sure you don't put it on too tight so you can still slide your hand out of it. So there you can see we put a new one on. And this time, just make sure you don't make it too tight, and so that way you can still take it off your hand. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the music show. Thanks for watching.